Amazon can be a great place to find lots of different gadgets and ideas. In this video, I'm going to go through a few Amazon beauty products, something a bit interesting, something a bit fancy. Some of them are like torture equipment. So I'm going to go through a list of these under 15, something to think about, gift ideas. Let's have a look at these. Cleansing water all in one. It removes makeup. So what I'm going to do today is I've put a little bit of permanent marker just a little while ago. It's dry. You can see that there, it's dry. So one's a little bit drier, one's a little bit wet just now. A couple of drops, nothing too much. And then we're just going to go wipe the dry one. Okay, couple of more drops. And now let's just give that a good wipe. I applied some e.l.f. primer here before, which I was testing, and that's the base layer. So no smell. Again, that's my hand there. You can still see well, that's my veins there, but that's quite nice. It's no smell. That's really good. Face, eyes, lips, no rinse off, so you don't need to rinse it basically. Power Grip Primer. I want to give you a quick idea here. Simply pump out. It's the first time I'm using it, so just a little bit fluid there, you can see. So you smooth it out. Obviously this would be on your face. So if you have any dimples or the skin's like not all consistent, it creates a nice barrier, just like that. And then when you let that dry, you can actually apply your foundation, so it's nice and smooth, so your face will be a lot nicer. So overall, it looks like a good option because the price of it is, considering there's more expensive ones out there, it gives you directions for use. Use fingertips to apply and pat into skin. Allowed to set for 30 seconds to absorb and activate grip primer. There's no smell to it, so that's nice. Nice small option. These are a great option. You get them in a number of colors. This is something to consider if you want to do it. I got a pack of them here. So if you're doing any type of beauty work, or you want to do a little foundation or clean your eyes with like wipes or anything, these can be used in multi-use scenarios. You can feel they're not that sharp. You can see a little bit of stitching on the corner, but it's not sharp that will cause you any problems. And it comes in a number of options, number of sets. I've got a couple of these, loads here. You get 6 or 7 of them. Just put your finger in the back and they act like that. You can even spin it around to have like a wider area. So you'll see there you can apply nice and easily for foundation or different types of things. They are soft. They've got like a microfiber material, and they come in a number of color options. Wet Brush, the original detangler. So if you're thinking about giving as a gift idea, it basically comes in a nice box as well. You can see the branding there, Wet Brush, and it's a smooth option. How good is it though? Oh, I like the bristles. The nice quality bristles. Wow, that almost gives me a head massage. So obviously this is going to be designed for longer hair, so it'll detangle your hair as well. Feels amazing. See the difference. As soon as I combed it, look at my hair now. Size wise, you can see beautiful quality, and it's a firm handle. It's very strong. This is a great option if you want to look after your hair. So it's a coconut hair food, and you'll see it's actually got a nice smooth mix to it. This works very nicely. It smells very pleasing. It's got no frizz formula. That means you can actually apply in a number of ways, like a conditioner, or you can leave it in your hair for a little bit and then rinse it off. Normally if you come out with wet hair, you've had a shower, slightly dry your hair, and you can put some of this coconut food in for a few minutes and then wipe away. And if you do any straightening with a straightener, it works well as well. It's 97% organic ingredients, and this is could be a good option. It's obviously by Garnier, and you can brush it through hair. So I use it quite a lot on my hair, and it's quite nice after a shower, like just to keep you moisturized. It's got vitamins in there, frizzy dry hair, and use it as a multi-use mask, hair, scalp massage, and shampoo brush. Comes in a nice little box, so it's a nice idea for a gift. Couple of color options available. So you'll see here it's got little indentations. The rubber, and just massage your head. Oh, that feels so nice. You need to get one to try it. Oh wow, just lightly go like in the direction of your hair. That actually feels really good. So it doesn't tangle your hair. You can see my hair is not like really messed up. And how it works is it's got like little teeth, rubbery. That's quite nice actually. That's a great gift idea. If someone got that for me. Enhances scalp health, boosts natural volume and hydration, cleanses hair thoroughly, provides relaxing experience. It's definitely relaxing. Oh my god, that's really good. For a number of reasons, if you're using it for beauty, you just get like a nice little mist. If it's a really hot day, you just mist yourself up. Even use it for cleaning glasses as well. The glasses get cleaned very nicely. It's a good bottle. It's got a good spray, and it handles itself very nicely. So overall, I do like the size of it. It's nice and small. Press it once. Look what. And it kind of just keeps squirting, and it's a good build quality. You can easily open it and fill it up with more water. Nice little full look. So it's actually the eco gel that I've used to do this, and the gel itself is really good because it's nourishing. It's got olive oil in there, and you basically, I spritz a bit of water on, and then I put my hand through it with a bit of gel on my hand, and that gives you a nice fresh look. And that's the eco olive oil gel. A quick look at some sunscreen. So this is slightly different. It's like a gel formula. It's SPF 50. So I just want to give you an idea of what it looks like, how it feels. Put a little bit just on the back of your hand just to see how well it performs. So just a little squeeze. You'll see I got a little bit there. These blobs are going to be jelly water. So if I start mixing, rubbing it in, it has left a little white residue, hasn't it? So see my hand slightly a little bit white there. It's got slight smell, not too harsh, deeply rehydrating, 8 types of hydraulic acid, no white cast. So yeah, after you rub it in, there's no white cast. There's no smell to it now. It looks nice. Quick look at the ice roller for face or eyes. So you can see the size here. That's my hand. That's how big it is. Got a little option on the top for putting water in, like a little clip, and it's quite easy to open when there's no water in there. Got little ribs here. You can see that there. It's silicone, so it's a rubbery type material. The main thing you want to worry about is don't overfill it, just enough. You can see that water there, and then I'll put the top on carefully. Put the remainder of the water into the top. You can see that there. Now, if you're in the sink, just give it a little squeeze a couple of times and then close the lid. When it's overly filled, it expands in the fridge, in the freezer, and it gets too big and then it can be difficult to open. So always fill it, just give it a couple of squeezes so a couple of drops drop out, and then when it freezes, it shouldn't be as bulky. If you fill it right to the top, when it freezes, it'll be too hard. Frozen, you take the top off and you can use it on your face to rehydrate your face, just to cool it down. Or if you have an injury or something, you can use it for cold, that type of thing as well. So overall, it's a good option because instead of using ice cubes, it's nicer, it's a bit more pleasing, and it's a bit more comfortable. So I've got here a Nina Bella hairbrush, and this is actually a little bit fancy because if you look at how it's made, it's not your conventional brush. You'll see it's like a spring-loaded option. You may say it's a little bit flimsy. It's a nice construction, feels firm. The bristles are not hard, not soft. You put in your hair, you can push down. See how it raises? If I push down on my head, see it raises? So that is actually pretty pleasing. It's almost as good as a massager. I just sit here brushing my hair all day. Detangling, smooth and silky, goes straight through my hair. Obviously, if you have longer hair, it'll be even better for you because you can go all the way to the bottom. And that I wasn't sure about that springiness, but it looks like it works. The springiness does work. Probably a great gift idea. There's a great option to have these available for you if you're traveling. And they come in a number of color options. You've got like gray or this nice nude color. You can tell the difference between the slightly different shades. So you can have a shampoo, you can have a conditioner, you can have a mouthwash if you want to do. You could have a body wash, and you can even have oil in there or extra washing up liquid. So you'll see on the picture they look like they're going to be hard and solid, but they're not. They're nice and soft and silicone. Got a nice seal on them. You see the lid doesn't come off. That's me giving it quite a good punch there. And they've got a nice seal on the top, leak proof. You can actually keep them in the bathroom as well because they're a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, considering like the grey option. You've got the nude option, so it's really good considering, and travel wise it'd be good for you as well. These are refillable pump action containers. You can put some cream in here. You'll see it comes apart. So you've got outer shell, you've got inner shell, then you've got the lid itself. You put any cream in there, you could put anything in there really. If you've got like a few, something you want airtight, looked after. But the main thing is, give it a couple of pumps. It actually pumps the air out of the jar and then it gives you a longer shelf life. I bought 2 of these. These are 50 millimeters. So you would think of these as travel options as well. Airtight, gives you prolonged life, moisture resistant as well, so very good option. This is like a 3-pack. You normally get like a plastic nylon bristle one, quite a good quality. You get a normal little brush just for your sides if you want to get your sides down, and then you've got a little mini comb as well. You, for example, if you want to comb through your eyebrows, just go, and you've got a little brush there as well just to position them. Or if you want to do your sides, like a number of little options here. So these are a set of 3. Good build quality, definitely worth considering. But depending on where you are, you've got these wipes for simple cleansing wipes for your face. They've got resealable entrances, and you can see here. You just grab one out. I'm going to see how thick they are and what the quality of it is like. So I'll grab one there. You can seal it back up so it stays moist. You can see quite thick. Oh wow, it's like a nice damp. No smell. Fragrance free, but it feels nice. Feels like I've washed my face. Obviously, if you're wearing makeup, it'll take off makeup. See, they're quite strong. There's no real smell to it, so if you're allergic or anything, just check on the ingredients. But it's kind to skin and it says it's suitable for all skin types. The best thing to do is if you're using them for the first time, test it in a small area. Just see how it feels, and then you can use it on your full face. If you found this useful, I've got another one here which I did 15 different Amazon beauty products, and they're all in a combined list. Have a look at this video next.